Welcome to my channel. It's your Amiga. How are you doing? I'm doing super good. So today I'm with another video regarding a Goa trip. Recently we had been to Goa trip on October 2nd week, and I just want to share my experience and what all we have explored so that it would be helpful for the people who are visiting for the first time. Let me say that we have also visited for the very first time and we are also a bit confused and we have missed few places. And also we had few bad experiences. In order to provide information to other people who are visiting for the first time, so I just wanted to do this video and provide as much as information as possible. So why late, let's get into the video. First of all, this video is gonna be bit lengthy, so just grab a cup of coffee, watch the video. My first point would be like, plan accordingly. Just plan how many days you want to spend there. You already know that we have both South Goa as well as North Goa. So if you want to cover both South and North, then you have to plan for 1 week. And if you are planning to visit only one place, either South or North, then 5 days is enough. We haven't planned to South or North because we also don't know and we are visiting for the first time. So in our limited time, since we are there only for 4 days, so we had chance only to cover North Goa. My suggestion would be like, just plan for 1 week if you want to be there for both South and North, and 5 days is enough if you want to visit either of one. Coming to the second point, just plan accordingly. Like we had gone to 5 beaches totally. One is Kalangate beach, one is Baga beach, and one is Candolim beach, and one is Anjuna beach, and one is Vitara beach. In one day you can visit 2 beaches, so plan in that way. I would say that Baga beach will be the most happening beach. Like you have many stalls over there and it will be like so good, so good, and we have many water games over there, and the beach is also really good. Especially in the night times, you can enjoy a lot because there are many food stalls, and also we can have some candlelight dinner around the beach. So they have arranged many chairs and tables around the beach, and you can have the food over there. So that both at Kalangate beach and Baga beach. So that is one thing. And Baga beach will be most happening. Even Kalangate beach is also good, but Baga beach I have liked it very much. Also there will be some music DJs and all. Coming to the third point is the main point. It is related to food. So food, if you are really a non-veg lover, you can just eat anything. I mean, you will be having many options. But one of the bad experience I have to say is like that food didn't suit me well, and after returning from Goa, I had a severe food poisoning. Yeah, so I have suffered a lot for 3 days. Maybe it didn't suit me. I'm not blaming, or I'm not saying that the food is waste or food is bad. So my body didn't take it, and mostly I can't eat non-veg a lot. I mean, just once or twice is fine, but each and every day I can't have non-veg. So you will be having more non-veg options. Also veg options are also there. If you want to have the food along beach side, it is bit costly. If you are okay with it, then you can invest, but for us personally, it was like bit too costly. First day we had been to Kalangate beach, and we thought of having a candlelight dinner around the beach. So there it had costed us around 2000 plus only for 2 starters and 1 biryani. If you are okay with it, then you can definitely try. Else we have many stalls outside the beach and you can try them. The last day of our trip, we had tried a South Indian breakfast, since I was really pissed off with the omelette sandwich breakfast. So that's why we thought of trying South Indian breakfast, and we had ordered it. And to be frank, I was utterly disappointed. The dosa, idli, vada are really, I mean, they're not at all good. Those food stuff and all, they didn't suit me, and I was like severely food poisoned. We can't do anything. If you are really if you can try continental, Asian, different types of food, then you can definitely have it. And the fourth point would be like, we have many other places to visit there. Like we have Dudhsagar Falls as well. We have also planned to visit there, and on the 3rd day of our trip we had been there. But my suggestion would be like, just inquire before day. I mean, if you want to visit tomorrow, just inquire the before day if the place is if the Dudhsagar Falls is open or not, because we haven't inquired, and we have just gone blindly over there, and it was closed, and we have to travel for more than 1 hour. Minimum 2 hours of travel will be there from North Goa to Dudhsagar Falls. So completely for us, almost 6 hours was wasted. So just inquire the before day only, so that your time will not be wasted. So that is also one of the bad experiences which we have. And coming to the weather, since it is a beach area, it will be really humid, it will be very hot, so you have to definitely carry your hats you can get over there. Definitely sunscreen. I have carried almost 4 bottles of sunscreen, so just make sure you have enough of sunscreen bottles with you, and you can carry your shades. In evenings it will be a bit cold only, so if you are taking your children, then it's better to carry your sweaters and all. So that is one point. And coming to the traveling point, we had been there through flight, and we came back return through sleeper bus. If you want to travel in budget, then you can plan one trip with flight and one with train or bus. And one more thing, the water sports will be from morning till evening 5 or 6 only. After that they will not allow, I think. Mostly it will be till before sunset only. And yeah, that one. And so sunset will be awesome. For sunset we had been to Baga beach, and sunset, it was like awesome. Yeah, and the other one is like stay. Stay is also really very important. To be frank, we are also bit disappointed, not too much of disappointment, bit disappointed, because we have searched for the hotels and all, and before only in Goa Bibo and all. That the pics are really good. The pics of the rooms are really good. They seem to be very spacious and all. But when we had been there to that particular resort or hotel, the rooms are like really congested. It is completely different from what we have seen in the pics. So just don't believe in the pics. Okay, don't believe. Of course the facilities are really good, so that is also one of the bad experience. To be frank, we have many bad experience as well, since we don't know, and since we are also visiting for the first time, so that's why we have faced. And so that's why I want to provide this information, so that if anyone are visiting for the first time, then it will be useful for you as well. But apart from that, we have enjoyed a lot. And definitely you can also give it a try. You can just go through my points, and you can plan accordingly, and then have a happy and safe trip. This is all about this video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another interesting video in the next week. Until then, bye.